flashlight already in my hand, fingers slippery with sweat. The hallway stretched ahead, shadows gathering near the bedroom and bathroom doors. I scanned the floor, nothing out of place. Bathroom, empty. Bedroom, still, every piece of furniture exactly as I left it. I turned back toward the living room, trying to ignore the pounding in my chest. Then, another thump, this time from the kitchen. I ran, flicked on every switch I could reach. Lights stuttered and buzzed overhead. I flung open cabinet doors, checked the stove, the sink. Nothing moved. Nothing had fallen. The back door was shut. Front door, still locked. My hands trembled. My breath came shallow.